Hello student, in the previous topic, I have discussed about the Rabi crop and Kharif crop. Now, today I will discuss the agricultural practices. And the first step of the agricultural practices is the preparation of the soil. The process of loosening and turning of the soil is called tilling or the plowing. It is necessary to break the crumbs to get a better yield. Then what do you mean by the crumbs? Crumbs is the big piece of the soil. Plow, hoe and cultivator are used to break the soil clumps. First is the plow. Second is the hoe. And third is the cultivator. Now the plow and the hoe. This is the plow and this is the hoe. This is being used since ancient time for tilling and the plowing of the soil. Nowadays, plowing is done by the cultivator, and cultivator is save both the time and the labor. Now the question arises, why preparation of soil is necessary? Preparation of soil in which we turn the soil and loosen it. Turning and loosening of the soil, bringing nutrient rich, because after the decompose of dead plants and animals, various nutrients are released back to the soil, and these nutrients are again absorbed by the plant, and only top layer of the soil support the plant growth. So, in this way, you can say they provide the nutrient, means turning and loosening of the soil help to provide the nutrient to the plant. Second is the loosened soil allowed to root to breathe easily. Because soil is loose, so the plant breathe easily. Loosened soil allow the root penetration deep in the soil. Means loosened soil allow the root penetrate deep in the soil. So the preparation of soil is very necessary and important. Now come to the next topic, sowing. Sowing is the process of planting seed. It is the very important part of the crop production. It is very important part of the crop production. Before sowing, first farmer selected the good quality and the healthy seed. Before sowing, we should know about the tool used for the sowing seed. This tool is used for the sowing seed. First is the traditional tool and second is the seed drill. Traditional tool is the funnel shape. This is like this. This is the traditional tool, and seed are filled into a funnel passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp end, and these end pierce into the soil and place seed there. Second is the seed drill. Seed drill used for the sowing with the help of the tractor. In this way, show the seed uniformly at equal distance and the depth. And after the seed drill, seed are covered with the soil to protect the seed from eaten by words, and this is very useful because they save both time and the labor. So this is about the sowing. Now come to the third topic, manure and the fertilizer. Third is the adding manure and the fertilizer. Now the question arises, why needed manure and fertilizer in the crop field? Some farmers grow crop after crop in a same field. Continuous cultivation of the crop makes the soil poor in nutrient, and therefore farmers have to add manure and fertilizer to the field to replenish the soil with nutrient. Now the manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plants and animal waste. Farmers dump plants and animal waste in a pit at open place and allow to decompose. The decomposition is caused by the some microorganisms, and decomposed matter is used as a organic manure. Now come to the fertilizer. Fertilizer or the chemical waste are rich in a particular nutrient like the nitrogen, phosphorus and the potassium. And this is about the manure and the fertilizer. Now the some importance of the manure. Manure have greater water holding capacity, and they provide the porosity of the soil. They do not change the texture of the soil. This is the importance of the manure. And fertilizer prepared in the lab, and it is a nutrient specific. Or continuous uses of the fertilizer can change the soil texture, and excess uses of the fertilizer is also polluted the water. So this is about the manure and the fertilizer. Now in next lecture I will cover up the irrigation and harvesting. Thank you and take care.